Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Free Fire. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Here you can see the language option. Now click on the word English. And now you'll be able to view the list of languages that you can change into. Select one. Then tap on the OK button. The changes will be applied after you restart the game, so click on the Confirm button. And that is how you can change language in Free Fire. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.